To make almond milk, what we need is just almond. We have a cup of almond, but we have to wash thoroughly. After washing, then we soak it for some hours. Personally, I just left it overnight so that it can be softened enough. Then the next morning, I peel it off like beans, peel the skin off so it will remain the almond itself. Here is it. We finish washing and peeling. Some skin was stubborn anyway. Then you pack it up in a blender. Then I spice mine up a little bit with beets, half teaspoon of beets, a spoon of date powder to sweeten it, and then water. And vanilla essence. This is just to add flavor to the milk. It's not mandatory. So blend and sieve, and our almond milk is ready. Would you like to try this? It's delicious anyway. Bon appetit.